Two big names in business tools, but only one might fit your team best. Pipedrive versus Freshdesk. Which one really delivers? On the left, Pipedrive. Sell smarter with a visual pipeline. On the right, Freshdesk. Support customers effortlessly. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real, everyday differences. Each category earns points, and you'll see clearly who stands out for your workflow. The result might surprise you.
All right, here's a quick mind map. So we're going to look at pricing, core focus, reporting and analytics, integrations, user experience, and target user. Think of it as your cheat code to picking a CRM without all the headaches.
So first, let's talk about pricing. Pipedrive is honestly kind of impressive here. Starts off at about $9.90 per user per month if you go annual. And yeah, there's a free trial. Fair warning though, if you want complex stuff or you're a gigantic company, those advanced features, they come with extra costs, and you'll need to chat with sales for enterprise pricing. Now, Freshdesk does throw in a free Sprout plan, which is just for basic ticketing. Sounds sweet until you realize paid plans kick off at $35 per agent per month annual. And if you've got a support-heavy team, that cost racks up. No joke. So if you want something wallet-friendly, you definitely notice Pipedrive has the edge. Core focus time. Pipedrive's whole thing is visual sales pipelines and dashboards you can actually customize. It nails contact management, super intuitive if you're all about sales. But let's be real. If you want nerd-level customer support workflows, Pipedrive doesn't really go there. Now, Freshdesk, that's support first, all the way. You get ticket management, knowledge bases, forums, even multilingual stuff. It's way more customer service oriented. But hey, in terms of pure sales pipeline, Freshdesk just can't match up to Pipedrive. So it really depends what you need. And honestly, both are strong for what they do best. I'd call this one a toss-up.
Reporting and analytics, let's dig in. Pipedrive gives you some pretty slick sales forecasting. Plus, you do get custom reports if you're okay with higher tier plans. Although, don't expect it to outpace like Salesforce-level CRM reporting, right? Freshdesk, on the other hand, has more nerdy analytics focused on support performance. Think agent efficiency stuff, custom roles. But again, some of those juicy reporting features, you guessed it, only on the pricey plans. Either way, you get decent analytics. It's just the focus is different. And yep, I'd say this category is an even match. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Pipedrive was actually started by salespeople who were so annoyed by traditional CRMs, they just built their own. Meanwhile, Freshdesk? The founder went through a terrible customer support experience and was like, I can do this better. Honestly, kinda inspiring. Integrations. Oh, this is always juicy. Pipedrive steps up with over 400 integrations, like everything from Gmail and Outlook to a ton of third-party stuff. Some features do need add-ons, but for the most part, it's pretty impressive. Freshdesk has some cool connections to the Freshworks family, plus stuff like chatbots and telephony, but if you compare libraries, Pipedrive actually takes this round. So if you live and breathe integrations, you'll want to lean towards Pipedrive here. User experience. This one's close to my heart. Pipedrive gets a ton of love for being simple and fast. Seriously, onboarding doesn't suck, the interface is customizable, and most people just get it. Okay, there is a little learning curve with automation, but you can totally figure it out. Freshdesk is like super detailed and covers everything for support teams, but man, their UI can feel overwhelming, especially for newbies. Advanced options make it kind of steep to climb. So for pure usability, yeah, Pipedrive kind of wipes the floor here. Who's it made for? Target user. Pipedrive zooms in on small, medium, and even big businesses. Classic sales teams who love that pipeline vibe. Limited if you're a support-first operation, though. Freshdesk's sweet spot? Support teams. Whether you're small or a giant enterprise, it does multi-agent stuff and huge departments. But again, if you're looking for sales features, well, you might not vibe. So depending on your team focus, both actually deliver. I'd say it's a tie on who they're meant for. Let's visualize all those scores. Pipedrive's looking strong, especially for pricing, integrations, and user experience. Freshdesk goes toe-to-toe in support functions, but overall, you can see Pipedrive nudges ahead in most categories. So after all that, here's what I'd say. If your team lives and breathes sales, go for Pipedrive. It's just got that visual pipeline magic. But hey, if support and ticketing are your bread and butter, Freshdesk is totally the right move. So if this helped you narrow down your CRM choice, awesome. Hit subscribe or stick around for more deep dives into tools that make your business run smoother. Catch you next time.